Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the plugin to remove and where it lives on disk. Open OBS, confirm the plugin name, then quit OBS so files aren't locked. Next, check Task Manager and end any OBS-related processes. Once done, open the likely locations. Program files /obs studio /obs plugins, app data /roaming /obs studio /plugins, or your custom install folder. Make sure to note both 32-bit and 64-bit plugin folders if present. This prevents deleting the wrong files later. You now remove the plugin files carefully, but first create a quick backup so you can restore if needed. Then delete the plugin. DLL-S from the appropriate OBS plugins folder and remove any plugin-specific data folders under app data or program files. Once done, look for associated config files like JSON or ini and remove them. If the plugin used an installer or added registry keys, make sure to uninstall it via Control Panel or reverse those changes. This keeps OBS stable and avoids leftover entries. Finish by restarting OBS and verifying the plugin no longer appears in the Tools or Filters menus. If OBS crashes or misbehaves, stop and restore your backup copy, then reevaluate which files you removed. Sometimes shared libraries were deleted accidentally. Make sure to clear caches or reinstall OBS if issues persist. One key troubleshooting tip. Open help log files, view current log to locate missing dependency errors. This tells you which file or component you must restore or replace to resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.